Today I'm going to show you how to use Zapier Tables and Zapier Canvas step by step so you can organize your data, build cleaner workflows, and map out your automation visually without feeling overwhelmed. If you've ever wanted a simple way to store information in Zapier and then connect that information to a visual workflow, this tutorial is for you. And if this video helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create option. This is where Zapier keeps the tools you'll use to build and manage automations. Click Create and then choose Tables. Zapier Tables is a great place to store and manage your data inside Zapier without needing a separate spreadsheet or database tool. Now Zapier will bring you into the Tables setup flow. At this point, you'll see options to start from scratch or import your data. If you already have information in another file or system, importing can save time. But if you want a fresh setup, choose Start from Scratch. For this example, we're going to create a new table manually so you can see how the whole process works. Next, give your table a name. This should be something clear and easy to remember, like leads, tasks, clients, orders, or whatever fits your workflow. After that, type a description. This is optional in some tools, but it's very helpful because it reminds you what the table is for, especially if you come back to it later or work with a team. Once the name and description are filled in, click Create Table. Zapier will generate your new table and take you into the workspace where you can begin adding fields. Fields are the columns in your table, and they define what kind of information each row will store. This is one of the most important parts because good field setup makes your data easier to use later in automations. To add a new field, click Add Field, then choose Add Fields manually. This gives you full control over the structure of your table instead of relying on a pre-built template. Now type the name of the field you want to create. For example, you might add fields like name, email, status, date, or priority. After naming the field, click Select an Item. Zapier will show you different field types, and in this tutorial, I'm selecting Formula. Formula fields are useful when you want Zapier to calculate or generate something automatically based on other values in the table. This can help you build smarter tables that do more than just store static data. Once you've selected the field type, click Create. Your new field will be added to the table. If you want to build out the table further, just click the plus icon to add more fields. Repeat the same process until your table includes everything you need for your workflow. This could be a mix of text fields, drop-downs, dates, formulas, or other field types depending on your use case. When your table is ready, click Home to go back. That takes you back to the main Zapier area where you can move on to Canvas. Now click Create again, and this time choose Canvas. Zapier Canvas is the visual planning tool that helps you design your automations and systems in a more structured way. Inside Canvas, you can drag and drop tools to visually map out how your workflow should work. This is especially useful if you want to see the big picture before building the actual automation. Instead of jumping straight into a complex Zap, you can use Canvas to organize the process first. To start building, go to Zapier Assets. This is where you'll find items and tools you can place onto the canvas. Once you see the available options, click and drag any tool you want into the workspace. From there, you can arrange the elements, connect steps, and build a visual system that makes sense for your process. This is a really helpful way to plan automations because it lets you think through the flow before you commit to building everything. Tables can hold your structured data, and Canvas can help you visualize the path that data takes from one step to the next. Together, they make Zapier even more powerful for productivity, operations, and no-code automation. So to recap, you started in Zapier, created a table, named it, added a description, built fields manually, selected a formula field, and then moved into Canvas to drag and drop tools into a visual workflow. That's the basic foundation for using Zapier Tables and Canvas effectively. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.